As I have said in my other talks, the study and reading of OSP gives us knowledge to make intelligent guesses that there may be other planets where there is life, and this life on other planets may be at least as intelligent or even more intelligent than our lives. At present, our conventional abilities and tools, we have no way to know as to in what form that life is or can be. Our scientific research is making guesses as to the number of planets which can have life. Our scientists all over the world are looking at our kind of environment which is conducive to life. But what that does, the takeoff point of that argument is that the life will be similar to our lives. They will have similar attributes and physical bodies that we have. They may be either more intelligent or less intelligent than we have. But as we see, our lives have evolved, and during our life on this earth of 78,000 years, we have progressed from a man who was living like an animal to various kind of refinements and social upgradations, that we live in communities, we think for others of our kind, we help people in times of need. These are like basic moral good things that we learn all throughout our lives, and we keep on improving not only our lots but lots of others also. So it is not necessary that the creator has a limitation of creativity or intelligence, and it would be wrong on our part to keep on assuming that lives on other planets will also need water as well as they'll need oxygen. The whole takeoff point is wrong, thinking that all other lives on intelligent lives on other planets will be like human beings, and they may be slightly different from what we are over here on this earth. This is what we see in the films which are made for basically application of knowledge as well as for entertainment. So, need of oxygen, hydrogen, water may not be the required things. The Creator has more in his hat to keep on coming up with more, with totally different kinds of beings. They may not be human beings. It is not necessary that those living on other heavenly bodies are in the same visible frequency that we have over here. We live within the visible frequency of Vibgyor, and they may not be in that same frequency. They could be in another frequency altogether. they may be having totally different parameters. Whether they have an everlasting life or not, our study on OSP will tell us that the human life is not only limited to earth, as well as the everlasting life is also prevalent elsewhere in the other planets. Careful study of OSP does tell us that life over here, everlasting life, was blessed with Creator bringing in high-raised angels from other regions of other heavenly bodies, where they graduated onto higher levels, and these angels were brought in over here in order to help our natives in learning different ways in which these other lives were also originated. All animals as well as man have been created as separate species with their own individualities within the range of our visible spectrum, but have different range of perception. Like animals have different range of perception, different senses, and are forewarned of earthquakes and similar natural catastrophes. We do read reports in newspapers like dogs warning their masters' families in case of buildings about to collapse. This, which happened lately in Kerala, where a dog warned the family that there was going to be an earthquake, and as reported in newspapers on 13th August 2018, 6 lives were saved because of this dog's warning at 3 a.m. in the morning. Now, and we hear lots of other similar and instances of animals being forewarned of not only earthquakes but also of other calamities which can happen because they sense this. The signals which are sent in the atmosphere by higher intelligence is transmitted to some of these animals or other worms, that they start their own mechanism for their own sake of survival. The powers which the Creator and the in higher intelligence is such that we only thing we can do is keep on wondering as to how this happens, but then it gives a sense of perception that the higher intelligence has no limit as to what they can do, what they can accomplish, and they are all around us all the time, giving us proper inspiration in terms of behavior as well as transformation of our lives, or small changes in our lives on regular matters, so that we start becoming better human beings. Thank you.